We all know how rough it is out there. It's a different game now. What if you don't have to go it alone? What if someone had your back? There's a new way to build your business. You can get a stronger foothold in the marketplace with YellaSource.com from YellaWood, the name homeowners and contractors know and trust for building backyard projects. When you register as a silver-level contractor, you get access to personalized marketing materials, customized apparel, and business building tips. You'll even be listed in the contractor locator section on YellaWood.com. The game has definitely changed. So when it comes to gaining a competitive edge, you need a game changer. YellaSource.com.